Autotrace and Vectorize speed up the creation of clean line art immediately. The power of auto-tracing and vectorization is transforming how artists and designers work, especially with line art. We are skipping the fluff. Let's dive straight into how Autotrace and Vectorize accelerate the cleaning and refinement of line art, a crucial step in many creative and technical fields. Before this technology, the process was manual, tedious, and error-prone. Let's look at the problems with manual tracing. Manually cleaning up scanned or hand-drawn images eats up valuable time and resources, turning simple tasks into lengthy projects. Maintaining consistent line quality, weight, and smooth curves is incredibly challenging when tracing by hand, often leading to a less professional finish. Now let's explore the solution, how Autotrace technology works to revolutionize this process. Autotracing uses sophisticated algorithms to analyze raster images, like JPEGs or PNGs, and convert the pixels into scalable vector paths. Crucial features include path smoothing to eliminate jagged edges and anchor point reduction, which results in cleaner, more manageable vector geometry. The shift to auto-tracing offers significant advantages, especially for projects requiring pristine line art. You can drastically cut down the time needed to achieve professional, clean line art results, freeing up artists for more creative work. Vectorized line art can be scaled up or down to any size without any loss of quality, which is essential for printing and digital displays. Where is this technology most useful? Let's explore some practical applications. Autotrace is invaluable in graphic design for logos, in illustration for converting sketches, and in technical drawing for precise schematics. Specifically for intellectual property drawings, where clarity and precision are legally required, Autotrace ensures compliance and consistency for patent and trademark submissions. To wrap up, embracing Autotrace and Vectorize technology is about maximizing your efficiency without compromising quality. The ability to quickly convert complex line art into clean, scalable vector graphics dramatically improves both turnaround time and the quality of the final product. If you want to delve deeper into intellectual property news and technical drawing guides, subscribe to our content for more informational videos like this one.